Hi, Dressing Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a silly banana duck. So let's get started. To draw this cute banana duck, let's first start by drawing a big curve at the top. So I'm just going to come right here and I'm just going to go up nice and round for the top of the head. Let's say about this wide and come down. And then I'm just going to go ahead and bring this down and straighten out. So same thing here and back and forth. So we're going to bring it down nice and straight. And let's see, let's keep going. So this part is going to be a little bit taller, the head part. So let's keep going. Of course, it's all up to you how tall you want to make your banana duck, but let's say about a little bit more. About right here. And now that I'm even on both sides, I'm just going to go ahead and connect it. So right here, I'm going to come in and come towards the center and then go right back up. There. Then from there, let's draw the peels, right? So I'm going to come to the center. So say about right here and here. I'll give myself 2 points. And from those 2 points, I'm going to draw the center peel. So we're just going to make one big curve. So kind of like this big U that I'm drawing here. Nice and big and connect. There. So I got one center one and then we're going to draw the side ones. So come back to where about right here, this point, and then we're going to come out to say about right here. And then round it off. So you just kind of want to imagine if this, how long it would be, like if it came down, be approximately the same length, and then let's just bring it right back in. We're just going to tuck it right in here. And then for some detail, come back right here and we're just going to thicken it up and curve in. So same exact thing on this side. So just want to bring this out, right there. And let's take a step back and see approximately how long the other one should be. Just try your best to match the other side. So a little bit more, about right here, and connect. There. And once again, same thing. Let's just thicken this up. Give it a little edge. There. Then from there, starting to look like a banana, right? Then from there, let's just imagine this is being overlapped and we're going to come right through and we're going to draw the bottom. Right there. So let's bring this in. So we're going to go straight a little bit and then start to bring it in. Same thing here. And bring it in. And if you're using a pencil, just go ahead and connect this with a nice big curve. But I'm going to stop about right here on both sides. About right here, I'm going to stop and go up just a little bit of a curve and then bring it down. Continue my curve and then same thing about right here. Curve and go up, down, and then connect back up. So this is just where the feet's going to be. Then from there, using this, I'm going to come down with my curve and I'm going to give my little duck here some cute feet. So I'm going to pop this out, go 1, 2, and 3. There. So same thing on this side. We're going to pop this out. 1, 2, and 3. There. Okay, so then now that we have the cute little feet in, let's bring this little duck to life. So let's come down a little bit, not too high up, so maybe about in this area right here. I'm going to start about right here and draw a big oval. So it's wide oval for the beak and round it off. And connect. There. Then from there, let's give our duck kind of like this look of a smile. So I'm going to come right here and just separate it with a little curve. And then the eyes. So we're going to connect them, touching the beak. So about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a circle. And same thing here. There. And I'll come in here and give it a little highlight and shade everything else in. If the highlight doesn't look right, I'll get rid of it. Just want to add some sparkle to the eyes, and they're too small for draw so cute eyes, so we're just going to fill them in. There, so cute, right? And then let's come above each eye and just draw a soft curve. And let's put a little feather right here for my duck. There, extra cute. And of course we need to add a heart, so I'm going to add it, let's see, on the wing or the body, just put it on the body right here. There. And that is pretty much it for this silly banana duck that was inspired by Banana Duck Plush that I saw online. I really hope you love this drawing and that inspires you and brings a smile to your day. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.